All right, you're welcome back. The Talk ladies today for inside the studio. But not forget, say, for you to put your mouth inside the things that we don't talk about, the motivational video of the man then where did they run for the Barcelona Olympic, where even his leg break, but he not give up.
He leg no break. He just get like muscle pull or sprain. Haba.
We don't Anjara on top.
Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Put your mouth inside. And also the second story of the woman who get belay, but she they drive keke na pep even as her belay big. No, attack me for that one.
No, you talk away.
So put your mouth inside, enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia because we go read all your messages. Now this next story now something where that they cause plenty controversy on top internet. Now they say this hot new YouTube star now only 5 years old. And she don't they do things where big people they do. Waiting be the things where she they do, I go tell you. And then Dana Gomez, and she, according to waiting they write for you, they say she a makeup expert from Colombia.
5 years old.
And she don't there in the center of debate. People when they come outside talk say, how young people go they do this kind of thing. Some they come outside talk say you know mean. Now you go they ask me which kind of debate. Now, this particular girl who I talk about, so she they upload video on top YouTube. They show people how to apply eyeliner, how to apply foundation, how to use contouring, and how to make your face slim. You know what, I don't need to talk too much. Just watch this video.
Hola, hoy voy a hacer un maquillaje para San Valentín. Bueno, lo primero que vamos a hacer es poner un poco de base. Aquí, acá, acá. Y luego voy a usar sombra. Voy a usar esta sombrita. Y la vamos a poner aquí. Y luego, con sombrita blanquita, vamos a hacer la nariz más pequeña. Un poco de aquí un corazón con el delineador. Voy a hacer un corazón y voy a usar rosita fuerte y lo voy a rellenar. Voy a ponerme esta diadema. Bueno, espero que les haya gustado mucho. Si quieren algo más, síganme en Facebook. Les dejo el botón de escribir en la parte de abajo. Bueno, espero que les haya gustado mucho. Tan, tan, bye.
Like me.
All right, this particular girl, so this one is just one of the videos where she don't upload on top of YouTube. She gets plenty others where she will show you how to make your face slim, how to make your face they very, very shapy and everything. Now, they say this tutorial, so where you they watch on top of YouTube, say now auntie, now actually film her, will be Dennis Gomez, now actually they film her and then quickly put them on YouTube, and now everybody, the thing don't go viral on top social media. Now when they ask the auntie what thing they happen, when she can't see the kind of controversy where they happen, she can enter inside Facebook, come post some kind thing. They talk, say, now just play now. Say what thing they for inside this one, say now just play. And even the videos where she upload online, say she actually get the permission of the girl mama to upload this video. That's now why she upload them. Responding to the negative comments, the kind comment people they attack her, say why you go do this kind of thing. Then it's come talk say, this particular young girl, Sodana, say she love to they show off, and she they enjoy, say she they on in front of camera, and as long as say she they catch her phone and they do on her own initiative, say what can they wrong with them? He said children have always played like adult games, like that they pretend to be doctor or nurses or mama and papa, or even fireman or cowboys. He said, so what they wrong with imitating an adult in playing around with makeup? Now, what the auntie actually talk about. Now, I know say if plenty parents for Nigeria see this video, now they go to talk say, our pikin need to do this kind of thing, but we need to choke mouth inside. When I feel say anything they wrong with what they together too.
Oh, yeah. Personally, I talk my own.
Talk your own now.
Your disclaimer don't reach.
I don't see anything really, really wrong.
Okay.
Because na pikin. And, well, we know say some things they start from small. But we also feel looking like say she dey learn how to become wetin she won't be in future. What if she get interest in makeup and she already dey learn am from now? She already dey find her parts. 5-year-old. You know, say I don't talk am before. Say our children of nowadays. Before we know what now, as we dey born them, they don't start to talk. Before we know what, as they born their hair, eye, everything don't open. 5-year-old, she don't know her part. And even if she dey play, no talk through. When me, okay, maybe I talk through. When I small, I feel mama they hear this one. I feel go take my mama makeup, her lipstick, and they find which one they fit my mouth. I'll use red, use the pink. I said, this one no fine, I carry and clean am. I try am when I small, but only be say I no get camera to say I dey video myself, say I dey use. All of us do am when we small. We dey play with so many things wey dey house. So this one na just another way where she dey find, she's happy. Na the major thing. If tomorrow now you want come, we know say as the library for that place, so person just say this kid is very smart. Then carry the bikini, they fit no put that exact makeup, but they fit use them for something else, inspire some other younger children.
So you actually agree with saying make pikin they go online, they do
no
tutorial?
Be she they do and
no, I just ask you.
If you watch and you feel say she dey serious.
No, not question. That girl is very good. As you
watch and you see say she dey very serious.
Watch all our other videos. She's very good, but you agree say maybe get the do tutorial online.
Just say I enjoy the film.
I trust you.
For me, I don't blame them. Now because they don't get worried for this for their life.
Not picky.
If they say she be picky, maybe say she they worry as she go take pass a mask like I worry when I did her age. She don't go get tired so they do makeup. But on a serious note, really, like Amaka talk. When I did small, like they carry my mama lipstick. Even though say when I use and finish, I'll be like idiot, and then they'll come beat me on top. Say who give you authority? But now I believe say people, many of us for inside this world, we don't get too many double standards because to say the girl come outside like with the auntie talk, they do like doctor, they do like footballer. Everybody go say make them train them to that way. Say now her way be that she don't discover them from small. But because now makeup, everybody they frown face. But like Amaka talk, which person where they watch us now go say they're not try makeup. Maybe their mama lipstick or eye pencil when they're small. Even my brother said they teach my mama lipstick that year. Because now childhood thing, you they young. Now sometimes they see your elder ones they do you, they see your mama, your aunties they do them. I even they teeth nail polish when I small, so if I go rub them from my hand and they catch me, they will beat me. Now the only thing with that, you go caution the pikin say no, the time never reach, no. But don't be saying now entirely bad thing. No be like say she kill person. So make them calm down. Tomorrow she will become the world's greatest makeup artist. And that time they'll come they celebrate her. They'll forget it. They don't first condemn the pikin when she they younger.
For me, like, the only problem I get with parents, especially aunties, where they push their pikin into things like this now because they, at the end of the day, the school where pikin supposed go school, go learn, you know they learn them again.
May I say something
because
for you? May I just chip inside with you?
All right, chip.
No be everybody brain if you take school.
True.
Okay.
No be every pikin brain. Once you decide say your pikin, they very good for this thing. I beg, chook in head enter that thing very well. You go just go school, maybe say come out with certificates.
What if you not come out with certificate since you say make it take care
inside that? Instead of throwing away your money
okay,
in the school,
not go
put them for hand what's it called this thing? Hand job. And now apart with that, so no.
I beg for me, you're gonna need to balance them. And I like waiting Betiana and Amaka talk. Yes, all of us we use makeup. I don't use makeup when I small. I don't use them.
You don't play with them.
I not play with them. I'm still not the makeup, so I not play with them. I don't even know what makeup be safe. Now even when after I don't graduate, after I don't serve, now then I start to the makeup. I don't even know what makeup be then because then makeup is no for inside my house. So not be everybody. Not be actually everybody. Now you do makeup when they're small. But for me, you're going to need to balance them. Yes, I understand, say, you need to develop the pikin skills, right, from when the pikin is small. But you're going to need to balance them. When it's time for school, not time for school. And that statement saying, na pikin, now they make actually spoil pikin. Oh, pikin do something bad, leave her, na pikin. Now this, I don't like that statement at all, you always use. I don't like him. Oh. My aunt...
We can't if they say live and na pikin, no mean say they no caution.
They don't
pikin, but really na pikin.
No, but you have to caution first before saying na pikin. Some people not the caution. I don't see a lot. Forget that. I don't see a lot. Some people not go caution. They'll just say leave na pikin. But for me, you will need to caution the pikin. Even though the pikin they use makeup. Like my niece, I don't know if I used this example before. She tell me say without makeup she's not beautiful. So you will need to tell the pikin say, come, this makeup is just secondary. You are beautiful with or without makeup. For me, you just need to balance. All right, we'll go over to our next story because this matter they really hot. But enter inside our Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Make sure say you put your mouth for inside them. Now, this one concerns 25 years old Now, not be picking again. This one are adults. 25 years old. We're going to know later. 25 years old, Adelina Abu, where they don't place advert on top Facebook, they offer men £350 to come do it and give her belly. Now, this Western Romanian lady, she seek for potential baby daddy, where she go hand over all parental rights to her. Now, according to the post where she put on top Facebook, she writes, say, meeting men not be the problem. It say meeting the one where you want baby, not be the problem. So rather than say I waste my time on top pointless relationship, you say I'm going to pay for it. I'm gonna pay for it. Now they say she ready to offer £350 to anyone we're ready to give her baby. And she talks, say men are so immature. All they think about is their self. Me, I dey mature. According to her, say she dey mature. Say she na independent woman and she wants a baby, not a man where they behave like a baby, but a proper one. I don't see this statement where the girl make.
Okay, first of all, the first immaturity where she do now say she go post this kind of thing on
Facebook.
And she says she's matured.
She's the first level of immaturity where she display already as a woman. And then secondly, okay, fine, you don't want maybe relationship, you don't want anything serious, but you won't get picking. How hard is it? You be fine woman. As far as I dey concerned, this woman, she doesn't look for publicity. She dey look for cheap fame. Where you say after 2 weeks, the thing will die down. Because I don't understand why you go enter social media, say you dey find who will give you belly. He had.
I can't tired. You know hard, my sister. I should go talk say men, meeting men is not the problem. I'm meeting one baby. It's not hard. There are other techniques to use to get the baby.
She don't make her voice come out now.
We go tell you as you go about.
I'm Betiana too.
We know how to get people where you give you belly. Sharp. They're not even calling money for you because then go they ginger. Then go they have to say,
all she need to do is to fly on Nigeria. She go see plenty.
Nigerian men are ready to give you the baby. Maybe you are independent woman.
No, I shall not say that to you. I don't like when they talk Nigerian men. Even though Igbo men self.
No, the thing is that what you need to understand is that our Nigerian men, they don't need you to go as far as saying you want to give them money. You want a baby because we are so family conscious. We love family a lot.
We are very giving. We are giving. Animal shower. What are you? No, we are being sincere here. If she say her men for there, they immature. Our men here no immature. With all our heart and all our mind and all our soul. Come here and we shall give you the pikin. With all our love, take care of the pikin.
Desperation for baby. This desperation for baby don't get too much.
No, girls, yes. Fame.
Baby and fame. Yes, number one, fame. And number two, I just reason them to baby because a lot of girls nowadays, they just want to get baby.
So get picking no ads now.
They just want to get baby. I just want to reason them to that one. Say the desperation to get baby now, it don't take too high. Like Critics will be they always talk. Are you ready to be a mother? Not just a baby. Because say you get money, not mean say you can take care of a baby. But you were there out there, put your mouth inside, enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. We're going to need to buy a small break. After this break, you gonna know the guests we will get inside the studio where they use a hand do plenty betterment for inside Wobodo Nigeria. When they come back.
Oh yes, we don't come back. And you know, so today now still our Motivational Monday. And for those of you away day house, we don't show you the video, we don't send you stories, and still yet you never day motivated. Okay, our guest will give you more motivation because if you feel say you go just sit down for house, say work no day and you don't get anything where you want to do, you need to look around you. All your natural resources, you need to grab them. May you begin to use them, they do something. The guests that we get for inside the building, now people where you be say they don't actually prove, say nothing they spoil for where then they say that if you use anything and anything make money within the resources we get for inside Nigeria. And I get people where you say that they eat natural fruit juice. Yes, we don't get some first set we don't come before, but this time now husband and wife where they do them together. So for you to know, say when you feel say now only the woman they work or now only the man they work, now lie. This one when you join the hand together, this guy is your starting point. We got Mr. and Mrs. Asemota Ero for the building. Hope I pronounce them well.
Yes.
Oh
yes.
Well, I know say Mrs. Asemota Ero, her voice don't actually go. I don't know why the voice go. You kiss frog.
She go vigil.
Not really vigil. She's been very strong.
Oh, okay.
In fact,
even this morning I was in the hospital.
Oh my God.
Because I want her to call and we didn't want to disappoint her. So she now said, What she go do? She go try come.
Thank you very much for joining us for Inside. So actually, I want to ask how Una come to the conclusion, say you want to actually join hand, do this business together? Because for Inside Nigeria, it's very difficult for us to see couples where we say they go join body together, say now this one job we want to do, especially when it comes to natural processes like this. So what's in giving Una that whole motivation?
My sister, when I look at everything, say, to go find white-collar job, you go and come back. I get the white-collar job quite all right. I have a first degree on physical and health education, second degree on public administration, and I like natural thing. I'm an orphan. I use fruits to educate myself. So I like fruits. I like to work with fruits. So I get job, and that job, they were paying me, it was good. But I was working directly with the ND. And when you understand working scenario, when you are directly under your ND, your ND never go. You go come carry your bag, say you they go. Meanwhile, when we start, they said this is your closing time. When that closing time reach, I carry my bag like JJC. I saw they go house, and the next person say, Madam, and this still the office. I said, but I tell you, I get picking for hands. And you tell me, say, now this time I go take the clothes. He said, it doesn't work that way. But that day, they just let me go. The next day, they just called me to order. You have to allow the ND to go before you go. By the time I start this thing, 1 month, 2 months, I wasn't coping with the children. I had a baby. So I said, what do I do? I gave it up. I brought in my letter. I said I was leaving. And the ND said, why are you leaving? I'm paying you well. I said, it's not the pay, sir. I have baby, and I'm just newly married. I have to take care of my children and my home.
All right. So make we actually talk about this natural drink where you they make. I know say it's not they easy for you to take natural, like what you talk, say preservative, not they this one at all. No preservative. So it's not actually they easy to make drink with preservative, not they. What are the challenges where you they face on top of this natural juice where you they make? I'll move Daddy go answer.
Yes. The thing we say for natural juice, actually, like if we see this one, we have to write, say, you have to drink it within 24 hours.
Okay.
Since preservative not there, if you open them, if you drink and remain, put them for fridge. But drink them within 24 hours, because after 24 hours, fermentation will take place, and you'll lose the nutrient of the product. So the first thing is that we decide to write it on it. Since it's a natural product and it does not contain preservative, if you tell somebody, say, this thing na so you go handle am, the person go know say na so you go handle am. But if you not tell the person, if he handle am anyhow and it go spoil your product. Go give your product bad name. Well, because we don't write, say, this product not drink and pass 24 hours. If you must drink it within 24 hours, no keep one for fridge. So the person don't they aware.
But what about for now? I just want to know whether you they do them down or you they do them based on order. Because it's challenges go there for una too, where they produce them.
They produce them when order day.
Okay, only when order day. Okay.
But there are some where they feed the produce down, provided you dey fridge and they never open them.
So if you dey fridge and they never open them, it's okay.
You cook it.
Cork, seal.
Okay, so how long una don, because since now 12 they join together, how long 12 una don they do this business?
It's going to about 3-4 years now, because like she say, na fruit salad now first start.
Oh, okay.
Fruit salad from bedroom when people, because she had interest in that. I'm a food technologist by training.
I'm a physical educator.
Correct.
So we now put her together, say, but And that time, people just eat fruit salad. They just buy pawpaw, pineapple, eat them for road. That time, they only cut fruit salad for plates. So we started it. We decided to be chopping fruit salad.
Now, really?
Yes. Not for road.
I give it to corporate organizations.
So now start to the chop and for inside pack.
Container plate.
Really?
With a label on it.
Wow.
The different types where you want a combination of pawpaw, watermelon.
I know.
Watermelon alone,
apple,
pawpaw alone, different, whichever order you want. That was how we started with 2 plates, 3 plates, 10 plates, 50 plates. And so, till eventual account talks say, if people feel they eat fruits, salad, I think they feel they like natural juice too. So we decided to start buying the machines to take the extract. Okay. And when we try them on our own, because personally, me, I appreciate nature too. So we started giving people samples and they appreciated it. So they started placing order for it. So they'll just call, please, can we get 4 bottles? Can we get 5 bottles? Then we also serve events.
Even for events?
Yes, that one does not go on bottles.
Oh,
we do it there.
Now that's the money there, that event.
We set the machine there.
But now still they do the salad, the fruit salad?
Yes.
If they want it.
So, but this one, they make up for their present?
Yes.
Yes.
And we also do cocktail drinks in events. And what actually made us to go into this one, we discovered that these days, we don't eat natural things. Even most of us that know how important it is to eat the natural things, we don't have time due to the nature of our work. So we now say, how do we do it for those that knows this thing? How they go fit take balance their natural thing, not every time you start taking cook things. So we decided to produce this thing and take it to them. Like us sitting like this, we are not doing strenuous things. We don't need so much heavy or all these, what do I call it, junk food all the time. If we can do with natural juice, smoothie in the morning, in the evening, and heavy food in the afternoon, it will do us a lot of good.
Since we actually get parents for you,
yes,
yes,
we get the Cocoa of the Day straight up. Cocoa of the Day, get to me, they called Cocoa of the Day, and I want such a Cocoa of the Day give our guests first. For the Cocoa of the Day, we get a question where they ask different questions. So today, I want to ask you one question. You feel say they're okay as man, Abi?
Yes.
A woman make you know your partner, what she they earn. If you say they okay, may you know what your partner they earn.
As husband and wife.
Make
husband and wife, now make the man know how much salary
in wife they earn.
At both sides, it good well.
They're very okay.
Very, in fact, it's the best thing.
Because when you know what you are getting, or you know what your husband is getting, you will not be demanding above your husband's salary. You already have children. You've brought children into the world. Also, you are going to train these children. So if you are now demanding or eating up all what is coming from the man, it means your children will not go to the proper school.
So how much they share the money from this business?
This one now part of the business itself. The business is more than juice.
It's more than this.
Oh. I used to ask them that time, I see that they do the fruit salad. They say yes.
It's even still more than fruit salad.
We have the aspect where they give head talk.
And like I told you, I'm a physical and health educator.
Yes. Head talk.
I deal on lifestyle consulting.
This is a conglomerate.
I see, this is a conglomerate.
But if I say we get video about people who respond to whether it is okay for man to know in wife salary. So producer, make we just see that short video.
Sharply.
Is it okay make a man or woman spouse make them tell each other salary?
Nothing there wrong with them.
I don't think it's a problem there.
If you marry wife, leave in money for them.
If a good make man know how much wife they earn a salary.
You don't really need to know how much your wife they make. What do you want you to do?
Yes, now why not? The thing about relationship, everybody got they open. You understand? Yes, definitely. I mean, I would like tell my husband those kind of things because now union, you know, we supposed to do everything together. So no need to hide those kind of things from one another. If now truly, you know, be husband and wife, those are the kind of things we're not supposed to share.
But then again, you go ask yourself what's the foundation of the relationship. Now, from a place of friendship, where we say nobody won't exploit another person. If nobody say husband won't exploit wife or wife won't exploit husband, quote unquote, you understand? Then I go tell myself waiting the happen so that I go build family together.
Seriously speaking, but like I say, you must know who your partner be, you know? People, they're different. You get some people, and it's not just a man-woman thing. It happen between two friends. You and your chick go grow for life. One time you go come pass and you go come they look you funny. So that's why it be. That's why I tell you, I talk say you must know who you be.
Oh, wow. What do you think about the response of the people?
Honestly, if I want to assess them, what I answered carries the day.
Oh, yeah. I know you just did one or two tweets. As Terry had to talk, nothing bad if husband know how much in wife they earn. If love they, then go plan them well.
Now so.
Now waiting they just talk for this one. This one say, all you ladies are right concerning that little girl, but at Princess, we talk and well. Balancing is better, not only the talent. All right, thanks a bunch for that particular one. This one say, the thing be say, it depends on the level where they build their home. You say, if not me, nothing consign me.
Okay. Before we come out for Inside Studio, maybe just ask if people for house want to reach you on top this natural salad, physical training, food technology. How they reach you?
We got number.
Okay.
Numbers are 080 33 26 1098. Okay. Another one 080 33 900 104. 080 942.
Okay, you should say not plenty.
51.
But email. marioge@yahoo.com. Marioge is spelled MARIOGHE@yahoo.com.
Okay, thanks a bunch, very, very, very much. The time not today our side again, will we?
At all. Yes, time not today our side again, but thanks a bunch. Say when I come inside our studio. See our natural drink for them. Make sure say you grab your own natural drink.
Grab your copy.
You want a different one? Summers.
Which one be this one?
Maybe that one.
Say what you want.
Okay, watermelon.
This one is orange.
Some are smoothie, some are juice.
This one is smoothie, yes.
This one is juice and smoothie.
Our girlfriend them would like this one.
Some are juice.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Too.
Oh, nice one. Nice one. Thank you very much. My name is Sirimen Ubi Ehiga Muse. We'll go meet tonight tomorrow for our real life issues. But if you get any story where they touch you, you're going to need to send them enter inside with Facebook, Talk Wazobia, or you just tweet at us and we go actually communicate with you. If you get anything where they trouble you at all, or you send email to us, then email the scroll for your TV screen.
My name is Sirimen Betiana Unweli.
Yes. Are you motivated?
I am motivated.
Are you good to go? Good to go. I am good to go. My name is
And after the only they talk, not be bad thing, but
make you know what they talk about.
Wow.
It's not before.
Not before.